Hello guys, I am Naveen. Hope you are good. Today we are going to see five best AI tools which you can use in your daily life. Okay, let's get started. Nowadays, AI tools are everywhere, from software industry to robotics. Everywhere, the AI tools are becoming uh, undeniable. So, uh, you have you can use them to improve your quality of life. You can use it to complete your work faster and doing complex things, which it will help you to grow in your life. Okay, let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, please share and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any feedback you can give it in the comment. Okay, let's get started. First tool, it's undeniable, ChatGPT. ChatGPT has more of premium plans and free plan, but most of the things you can get while starting out. You can check out its free plan. It's I'm using free plan. From my user experience, it's good. I can get most of the answers in free plan itself. If you want like in coding complex tasks, you can just check out in ChatGPT plus plan, but it's up to you. But I'm going to show using ChatGPT. You can ask your after task like tools. mm, Give me a vacation plan 5 days in what I can say like mm, California. Okay, I think it's going to okay. It's giving us anything like you can ask your coding problems, or if you're a student, you can ask your algorithmic problems or any homework. I just give my any vacation plan for, in California for 5 days. It just gave me what are the things I can explore in Los Angeles, San Diego. It's amazing, guys. You guys need to check it out. You guys can even generate an image. Generate an image containing Iron Man and Hulk are having the Iron Man and Hulk are drinking coffee in a big donut in 16:9 ratio. Okay, guys, I think it's under. Okay, it has some copyright issues. Dear man and oh man. Okay, I think it will generate this one. You can see. If you guys are already using ChatGPT, list out your experience in the comment. I like to check it out. Okay, generate. Wow, guys, see it's super right. Yeah, it has some minor issues, but we can give prompts and we can enhance the quality. But I think you guys definitely have to check it out. It's definitely deserves a try once chance. Next, we are going to dive into tool Claude. I hope you guys have already came across this tool. It's also it's AI model also giving lot of working answers. You can I'm using it for my most of the areas, like in summarizing meetings, in coding problems. I'm using this type. You guys have to also you can use it. Histogram editing software 25, which are this from 1 to 5. Sorry guys. Okay, we can see this one of the models. uh, okay, I should not see. We test the data up to April 2024, but I think it's okay. Nothing has changed a lot in tools level. Yeah, like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Lightworks, Adobe After Effects. And guys, I like to know which are the top video editing software you are using. I like to check them out. I want to learn this other tools also. Uh, can you guys help me out in this area? I like to hear from your thoughts here. Okay, next we are going to see that. Next we are going to see perplexity. Perplexity is also one of the great tool. You guys can check it out. It's also free one. Yeah, it's a free one. Claude, I think from Claude also it has free model, but you can guys can go to premium version. But it's up to you. I'm using everything in this video. I'm showing the free only. Absolutely, they are free. You can use their free plan, and it's uh, more than enough for starting, guys. If you're doing complex tasks, you can check their premium model, but it's up to you. Okay, Perplexity is free only. Okay, guys, yeah, can ask any of the questions. Mm, okay, we can ask for if I am a beginner, how to start video editing, which softwares are the best. Okay, let's see. It will say also subject. I think it also sharing the YouTube videos, which it's good. You can guys can check it out. Oh, open source. That's new for me. I didn't know whether there is a software like this. You guys know about it? Please comment in out here. Movie video editor, video element, software. Yeah, I thought Adobe will be there, but okay, it's some another data. It is using another data model, but it's different. No, you guys can check it out. Next, we are going to see the another AI tool. Another AI tool we are going to see is Leonardo. It's not a normal chat GPT like Perplexity. It will not generate a text based. It's a image generation tool. I have done a separate video for, while generating a tools like using the image generation. I thought I can give it a chance in this year also. It's definitely good, guys. Like image generation. You guys just give me a prompt and it will generate an image. Okay, for the prompt you can get here. Give me a prompt. Image of Yeah, 30-year-old man traveling. Give me generate image, generate the prompt. Sorry guys, I am little bit slow, but please adjust with me. I am just improving little by little. Add some details. Like, I don't know what to give, so I just leave it out to AI to. You can see what the prompt is coming. Okay, I think I can use this too. Let's go out here. Hey guys, it's a community model. You can use the images here in any of your uh, projects like hobbies, anything. Okay, fast quality. I need 16:9 ratios, medium level. Okay, three images will be generated. I want. Okay, creative is yeah, okay for me. Model Phoenix. Yeah, I'll go with Phoenix model. Okay, guys, you can generate here. Okay, it's generating. It's still loading. Okay, the images are good, but yeah, I like this one. I think you guys can check it out. You can enhance. You can reiterate the prompts. You can add details to it, and you can generate image of amazing quality. It's up to you guys. Image generation is not not we go detail in this video. We can go to next tool, right? Last tool is DeepSeek. It's not last. It is. I'm not giving any order. These are the tool number 1, 2. I just randomly yeah, showing you guys which are the tools. So DeepSeek is not the least. It's the last but not least, like that only. You guys can check it out. I think it's nowadays DeepSeek is doing a lot of change in the market. It's prompt delivering send itself. It's I think it's good. It's you guys can check it out here. Like give explain me Python- explain me a Pythagoras theorem in detail with example and formula. Okay, the model is thinking. As you guys can see, the models explaining everything like what how it is usually written and explaining each part. Maybe I should provide some full example. Yeah, you guys can see like it's giving as like in textbook, but uh, it's explaining as simple as to the user. Wow, it's very detailed, guys. As you guys can read, you can and see like It's absolutely giving my step by step process how to think about it. Statement of the theorem, formulas, definitions, is covering here. If you are a school student or college student, I think you guys need to check it out. It will going to change your grades. It will help to improve your learning process. It can help in your understandings. Definitely, guys, do check it out. And it's open source. Only it will cost less than ChatGPT. I'm not doing any promotion here. I'm just telling you my user experience. Okay, guys. Yeah, you can see right here. It's giving me formula, statement, and some of the example problem itself. It giving. You guys need to see how it's amazing, right? Okay, guys. I think today we have covered a lot of things. Way to like up to 5. You guys can check them out. You can share your experience. If you guys have any other tools you want to share with me, you can just leave a comment down here. I definitely reply to you. Okay, guys, have a nice day. See you in another video. Bye.